Hey guys, if you're new here, you probably won't know me for printer reviews, for 3D prints, for CAD work and 3D modelling, or even for metal casting, which, believe it or not, is related these days to 3D printing. I recently conducted a poll and was shocked to find that the majority of people felt they needed help with some aspect of 3D printing. So I'm here to offer my insight. There are already a lot of tutorials out there, but as people are still confused, maybe my simple step-by-step approach can help. I'm not an expert, just an ordinary guy that's discovered a love of 3D printing. So I can't teach you everything there is to know about printing, but I can teach you everything that I know. And if I can do it, you certainly can, and maybe even better. So I intend to run a series of short videos covering certain aspects, like which printer to buy, how to level a build plate, understanding supports, how to dispose of resin safely, and everything else I can think of. If you're interested, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that little reminder and never ever be afraid to comment or ask questions. I strive to answer every comment. So if you have a valid question or concern about 3D printing, then I want to hear from you. There is just one last important thing that needs to be cleared up right now. There's two main forms of 3D printing. The first is FDM, which melts filament like PLA and by building up long strings of the stuff makes some fantastic and very practical objects. The second kind is resin printing, which uses a UV light reactive liquid to build up very thin layers once again into fantastic and practical objects, but does so with much finer detail. Now it's this style of printing that I'll be talking about, resin printing. So if you're interested, stick with me. Forgive the terrible jokes that will no doubt crop up occasionally, and don't be shy about joining in. So until next time, happy printing.